Welcome to our video tutorial on creating flipbooks effortlessly with AI just one click. Today, we'll explore a simple yet powerful method to transform your static PDFs into dynamic flipbooks in a couple of seconds. Let's get started. First of all, let me tell you why you should create a flip ebook. With flip ebooks, the possibilities are endless. Embed them on your website for seamless integration, share them on social media to reach a wider audience, or incorporate them into your email marketing campaigns for added impact. With AI-powered tools, creating flip ebooks has become more accessible and efficient than ever. So let's now learn how you can convert any PDF into a flip ebook in just one click. I'm going to try out a new AI tool. And let me tell you up front that this is not a free tool, but it's affordable for everyone. Its price starts at $18 with a one-time payment. The good thing is you can create unlimited flipbooks without limitations. For more information, there's a link in the description below. All right. Now, this is the dashboard of the tool, and I personally purchased it because I know how I can leverage it to make money. All right. To create a flipbook, of course, you'll need a PDF. Right now, I have a complete 40-page ebook about making money in PDF format. This ebook isn't mine. I'm just using it to demonstrate. Okay. After coming to the dashboard, you need to go to Flipbook. Here you'll see that you have three options. First is Flipbook by PDF. Second is Flipbook by image. And third is Flipbook by text. Alright, so let's first try out PDF to Flipbook. I'll just click on it and then click on Create Flipbook by PDF. Alright, then you simply need to upload your PDF here. You can upload any PDF, but make sure its size is less than 256 MB. So I'll just upload my PDF here and simply submit it. And that's all, guys. Our Flipbook will be ready within a click. Now you can preview the Flipbook here. So you can see how realistic our flipbook is. You just need to click on the left and right sides and your book will flip. You can also show the table of contents on the left side, see pages on the side, download pages, and even download the PDF. It also comes with an automatic page flipping sound effect. I hope you're hearing it. And finally, you can share this flipbook with anyone. Just click here and now you can share this link with anyone. Alright. Now let's see how to create a flipbook from text. The process is the same. You just need to click on Create Flipbook by Text. This is your dashboard. Here you can fill in text paragraphs. For example, I've just copied this article and pasted it here. Alright, now you can customize it. Firstly, I'll insert an image and a video. For that, I'll go to Insert Image. And now I need to paste the image link in the source. So I'll take an image link from Google as an example and paste it here. And boom, our image is inserted. You can scale it. Similarly, you can insert a video, simply go to Insert Video, and now I'll paste my video link here. Okay, so you can see the video is inserted here. Likewise, you can also insert a link, and that link can be anything like an affiliate link, your course link, or any social media link. Alright. Then I'll simply submit it. Let's preview it. So you can see our demo flip ebook is ready. It doesn't have many pages, but yes, the flipbook looks quite good. Okay. So in this way, you can easily create a flipbook. You can also customize the ebook. You can add a title, insert links and descriptions, okay? Now the coolest feature of this tool is that you can add this flipbook to your website. You can grab the viewer's attention, which is a really cool feature. So for that, I'll just click here and copy this code. Right now, I'm using WordPress. You can do this on any website creation platform. Okay, so I'll now go to my blog post, then I'll add a container, and I'll search for HTML code, simply drag and drop, and then paste the HTML code here. Now, if I preview, you'll see that the flipbook has been added to my website. Okay. There are more features in this tool that you'll find better if you see them yourself. Alright, so thank you so much for watching.